For more than a century, RMS Titanic has rested in complete darkness nearly 3,800 meters beneath the North Atlantic Ocean, slowly surrendering to rust, pressure, and time. Once celebrated as the largest and most luxurious passenger liner ever built, the legendary ship has become one of history's most haunting underwater monuments. But imagine a future where technology has advanced beyond today's limitations. A future where engineers, scientists, and deep sea explorers unite in the most ambitious maritime restoration project ever attempted, raising the Titanic from the ocean floor. The mission begins with years of careful mapping using autonomous underwater drones that scan every remaining section of the wreck in extraordinary detail, powerful robotic submarines remove fragile debris while preserving every historical artifact. Engineers construct a massive titanium lifting framework around the ship's strongest surviving structural points, avoiding further damage to its weakened hull. Instead of relying on traditional cranes, thousands of synchronized buoyancy modules are attached beneath the framework, each computer-controlled to generate perfectly balanced lifting force. Over several weeks, the wreck slowly separates from the seabed for the first time since 1912. Every meter upward requires constant adjustments as centuries of corrosion threaten to break the structure apart. Once reaching shallower waters, the Titanic is transferred onto a specially designed floating dry dock unlike anything ever built. There, an international team of historians, naval architects, marine biologists, and preservation experts begins the painstaking process of stabilizing every surviving component. Salt deposits are carefully removed. Steel structures are reinforced using advanced composite materials, and missing sections are digitally reconstructed based on original blueprints and thousands of historical photographs. Rather than replacing history, the restoration preserves the ship's authentic scars while preventing further decay. Iconic locations such as the Grand Staircase, the first-class dining saloon, the bridge, and the Marconi Wireless Room are recreated using a combination of original materials, recovered artifacts, and cutting-edge manufacturing technologies. Every restoration decision honors both historical accuracy and that memory of the more than 1,500 lives lost during the disaster. Years later, the restored Titanic stands inside a climate-controlled maritime museum where visitors from around the world experience its remarkable story through immersive exhibits, holographic recreations, and preserved artifacts recovered from the deep. The ship no longer represents only tragedy, but also human determination, engineering excellence, and the importance of remembering the past. Although such a recovery remains beyond the reach of current technology and would face enormous ethical, financial, and environmental challenges.